Tired of crooked shelves and uneven tile work? We've tested the top models to bring you the 5 best laser levels of 2025 that deliver pinpoint accuracy with self-leveling technology and ultra-bright 360-degree lasers. These game-changing tools feature magnetic bases, outdoor visible beams, and smart locking mechanisms for perfect alignment every time. Whether you're hanging pictures, tiling a bathroom, or tackling professional construction projects, our picks include budget-friendly options and premium models with extended range. Click the link below to find your perfect laser level. Let's check out these precision tools. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly straight results with minimal effort. The 5th product on our list is Motovera LL-T2. Do the prices of most laser levels have you second-guessing your decision to tackle that home improvement project on your own? Don't worry. The super affordable Motovera LL-T2 is easy on your budget. Motovera keeps things simple with this one. You'll get a mounting bracket, a soft case, and a target for checking the level's calibration. The mount attaches to metal surfaces with magnets and screws into the level's threaded base. Using the included target is one way to check calibration, but here's an easier, more accurate way. The LL-T2 gives you 4 power modes to choose from. That can be nice when you're working in close quarters and want to give your eyes a rest. It's got the second widest throw, so larger projects are fair game, as long as they're indoors. This isn't a tool I'd use outside. What I don't like about this tool is how thick the lines are. It's not a deal breaker, and on most DIY projects it won't matter, but they aren't as precise as the others on this list. This is the best laser level for people on a budget. I wouldn't recommend it to professionals, but it's perfect for people who need to hang a few pictures every once in a while. Up next in 4th place is the SKIL LL932301. SKIL didn't blow me away with raw performance, but I was impressed with how many great features the company packed into such a cost-effective tool. The LL932301 comes with a soft case, mounting clamp, and micro USB charging cord. There's no wall outlet adapter included, so pack one of those in your toolbox or be prepared to charge it from a standard USB port. I was surprised to see such crisp, fine lines come from such an inexpensive laser level. These are great for making precise marks with minimal room for error. Rechargeable batteries have their downsides, but I appreciate not having to stock up on AA batteries to keep this thing operational. It's also worth pointing out that SKIL backs this laser level with a 5-year warranty, the best guarantee of any laser level I tested. So, what didn't I like during testing? This laser level is noticeably dimmer than the others. The rechargeable battery saves you from chasing down disposable batteries at the worst possible time, but the trade-off is having to wait for it to charge when it runs out of juice. Better plan ahead and bring a backup power station for all your cordless tools if you're not going to be near a wall outlet. If you're on a tight budget but don't want to sacrifice features, put SKIL's value-forward laser level in your toolbox. The 3rd product on our list is the Bosch GLL50-20G. Need a laser level you can count on in harsh conditions, inside or out? Bosch has your back. The Bosch GLL50-20G is tough enough to survive life on the job site and refined enough to give you precise readings that will satisfy even the most discerning DIYers. Bosch ships the Bosch GLL50-20G with a soft case and 2 AA batteries. The swiveling mount is integrated into the unit itself, and it doubles as a protective cover for the lens when you're not using the tool. Mount it with the magnetic face or hang it off a screw. It's a very well thought out and compact design. This is the most powerful laser level of the bunch by a huge margin. Its razor-sharp green beams are bright enough to provide usable readings at maximum range, and you can still see it outside in direct sunlight. You have the option to use AA batteries to minimize downtime or save money with a GLM-BAT rechargeable battery pack sold separately. It's hard to find critiques of this laser level. Its brightness is incredibly useful for outdoor projects, but it can be a bit much inside. If I were using my laser level inside all day, tiling a shower for example, I'd probably want something a little gentler on the eyes. This is a professional-grade tool for people whose paycheck relies on their ability to do quality work under a time crunch. but it's also a fantastic option for people who insist on doing home projects with the best tools. The second product on our list is the CIGMAN Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D. Need to work on an entire room at one time? The CIGMAN 3x360 degree self-leveling laser is up to the task. With two 360-degree vertical beams and one 360-degree horizontal beam, you can do everything with this highly capable laser. The CIGMAN laser level comes with several handy accessories, like a pivoting magnetic wall mount, a green laser target that aids in seeing the laser beam in bright settings, and a mini tripod mount that doubles as a 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch adapter for mounting the laser level on a larger tripod mount. The mini tripod even features a precision adjustment for easily lining up the laser level. To ensure the CIGMAN's rechargeable battery lasts as long as possible, the 4 brightness options offer 6, 9, 15, and 30 hours of battery life. Best of all, this CIGMAN model is the only one on our list to include a remote control, which allows you to turn off one or more of the beams or change their brightness without having to touch the laser. The hard cloth case has a luxe-molded foam insert with room for every accessory and offers superior protection to the laser level. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the DeWalt DW088. Buy once, cry once. As is so often the case, DeWalt came through with a product that's so well-rounded that I struggle to think of someone I wouldn't recommend it to. The DW088 comes with a hard plastic case with metal latches, 3 AA batteries, and a mounting bracket. You can screw the bracket to a wall or clamp it to a piece of horizontal angle iron. There's a metal plate on the face where you can stick the level's magnetic arm. I like being able to turn on the horizontal and vertical lines individually when I don't need both. It's a small detail that makes a workspace just a little less cluttered. Speaking of those lines, they go on forever. This level has the widest angle throw by far, so it's great for big jobs. The red laser is bright and the lines are crisp, so you'll get an accurate reference from end to end. DeWalt has never given me a reason to doubt its product's durability. DeWalt power tools are about as fragile as boat anchors. Still, I noticed that this is the only laser level of the bunch that doesn't have a way for me to lock the pendulum when I'm not using it, or when I want to cast a straight line on an angle. According to DeWalt's website, it was designed to stay calibrated without a lock. I didn't have any issues during my testing. Bottom line, the DeWalt DW088 is capable enough for the job site and user-friendly enough for the DIY home renovator. That's all for our list of the 5 best laser levels on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.